Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable fingerprint on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to disable fingerprint authentication on this device can be useful in situations where you want to temporarily switch to a different unlocking method, troubleshoot fingerprint sensor issues, or if you are concerned about security and prefer not to use biometric authentication for a period of time. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. The first step you have to do is enter to the settings menu, and then here you can select password and security option. Okay, after that you can select fingerprint and enter your passcode. Okay, so now you can delete the fingerprint that was previously registered. The way you just tap the existing fingerprint or the one you want, and select the delete option at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable fingerprint on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.